Hello friends, মই এতিয়া ফেচামলা লেণ্ডশ্লাইড পুঞ্জিনে আছে আৰু দেখি হিচাপটো এতিয়া কোনোবা অফিচিয়েল চাইনে ৰাস্তা চাহ নিচিনা দেখি আছে আপোনালোকে দেখাই আছে জেগাটো এনেকুৱা মানুহ বেছি আহি কিনে আছে maybe some talks are going on না ৰাস্তা লাটো কণ্ডিশ্যনটো কিনা হৈ আছে এইটো চাবলৈ কোনোবা অফিচিয়েল চাইনে আছে না মুখন লাচি মাৰিনে আছে যেনে আপোনালোকে দেখাই দিব
किलोमीटर पेलू छोड़ के से करो छुदा दे हम यो का सेडी बदे सला यो का जागो मु बाहरे उगो सीएम सनी और नि प्योरे रे ये किरी यो को के बिया ला ले में जे जो दे रे रना में को कर छदे नगा में के दिउ रो दे चाबो दे बोले के बा सु को पेले के बा बोले में जे जो दे रे दा थोर जे दे मु ये पके किपु सामोर सोदे लेजु गर्स दादि थे सोबियसे न्योको पसिला सोजो हो न्योको न्योको गेरेला मेचे के बोला जेरी ओ बेगुन बेजेदी न्योको के जगत तो थने का ओकी उले बा फेदी तु जेगा जछो फेदा सला बेगुन बेजेदी हो बार कजे जबे न्योको काजा मेको पते किपु सो न्यो बेजो
So this is the work program, sir. If monsoon allows, sir, I mean dry season comes, then we can complete by 18th August this temporary restoration.
So how much you can do on top if it be taken away? Like how your road has gone down? About how much? 50 meters?
It has gone total, sir, 37 meter at this place,
37 meters.
and downwards about 57 meters.
And the rail will continue
Yes, sir.
till September. How? Dizzy, you know, yadi, our Delhi administration, disaster, full highway lagato ekta ase, image na, aru ki korbo etu ekta secure ase, aru this sleep jayega na, ki destroy korse. Second, along pura, aru ekta assessment lagibo. Individual farmers na. Aru etu amagan Hornbill Festival site to yate ase this morning. So idiyati itanga kakigena last year we last meeting talk rasta banaichu. Itanga no hai. Idiyatu now I'm telling last year also we worked here till the last minute of Hornbill Festival. This first December. So this time whatever we have to do we'll plan and we will discuss the department, PWD, or National Highway, and the administration. So what needs to be done? You formulate. I'm going down to Jaipur. Any day we can meet, and we have to discuss on our road. And you see your good road that side also. I don't want you to landscapes clearance, you just go on the edge of the road. I don't want like that. If you must keep, but then at least you do dressing. Not just thrown away. Like you eat and you are not washing your plates and throwing away. So whatever you do after, whatever you do, you should clean it, keep it in place. It should look good. We are civilized society. So, and National Highway. So, but National Highway is too far to get all the scolding, all the insult and bad words are poured to the state. That's why all of us, we get bad impression. And people who come from outside, they carry away very bad impression. Yesterday, 2 Americans came to visit this because we are expecting chief guests from America. So that with this condition and working class media will keep everybody under tension. Your road landslide clearance, don't throw on the side. If you have to throw, then it should be properly placed. And don't, your buildings are very close to road. Don't allow any individual to collect dirt in front of the house again, like a bunker, nah? The national highway, fear of vehicle government. They should back out. Your national highway, you have the national highway area, so you have to discuss, and government administration will help. And one simple thing, we say road is finished, it is taken over, but for all this time we are using only single lane, and the divider, nowhere it is maintained. Only wild grass grows. It should be taken care. So, who is responsible to maintain the green plants or the flower in the divider? That responsibility. You have to do that, you do and give contract to others. Or you give to the state. We will give through the department, and we will give it to the, say like Hesama. So how much is their area, village area? They should be made responsible, giving some incentives. Then your different churches will divide the area to maintain the divider and the drainage. In that way your area will be clean, and there should be also competition and prices. Nah? Because even if we give to village authority, then no masters will be there. But if we give to the church, then for prestige issue and for discipline, the church organization will do your plantation, your cleanliness, all this will be maintained.
They have one provision during this effect likely to be there. 5 years, you get provision for contractor. So instead of giving the contractor,
These 5 years, nobody has grown nothing.
they can engage public in respect to the villages. Also, one thing, have you engaged contractor or you are doing by yourself? This work
This work we are doing through contractor.
through contractor.
Yes.
So when there is no rain, you should engage more machinery.
Contractor is also here.
Like today, there is no rain, so you should engage 4 or 5 machinery, not one.
We are having 5 machineries here, sir. Already we are
So
having.
when there is rain, you are helpless. But when there is no rain, they can work.
Yes.
Which company?
The nearest civil, sir.
The original
See,
contractor.
we are all
Yes,
travelers.
sir. Original contractor is Mr. Chunga.
Go.
कहाँ चले गए? आगे आगे yes, sir. He is the contractor, sir. He is the contractor.
We are all contractors. You go into the towns and cities, even by night, when traffic is less, when public on the street is less, they work at night.
Yes.
And by morning, the workers will disappear and public will crowd the street. Vehicle will run. So there is no dirtying the city, and there is no emergency work. There should be sense of urgency and emergency. I think we can do.
Sir, from DHQ junction to this landslide area, who is maintaining this road? Because now the road condition is
Larry
very
Junction to here. From Larry Junction is our part, and we are maintaining up to Mao.
and we are discussing, but we will also take up with the ministry. Your blacktopping idea, particularly in habitation and in town, from drainage to the footpath, everything should be concrete, bitumen, end to end, so that at the end there is mud, there is grass growing, there is the dirt collection. So it is not matured. It looks very bad. You see, I used to tell our season, there are 4 seasons, isn't it? Your spring, monsoon, autumn, winter. So that's what we studied in school. We will learn like that. But when we see our condition, there is only 2 seasons. One season is mud season, another season is dust season. So human creation has made it worse. So let us all try to work together and improve. And we'll not wait for the last meeting to come, but we'll all work together and you get all prepared, my officers and my colleagues. We'll have a meeting with you, with our administration and disaster everybody. Okay? So all the best. We're going up to very much concerned. And this is not only this year's issue, it's a lifelong. Since our childhood we have seen all these mudslide and slips and obstruction in the highway. We've only earlier 39, now 29. So this will continue, so there should be a bypass road, alternative road. And that road, when you do, we should do with national highway specification, so that the truck can go with the loading. Otherwise, village road, if highway load, if they carry that tolls, then one day the whole road will be finished. And that's all. I think this proposal from this. Huh? Yeah. This your Chakaba Kadima to Sarnapati, your Pananamai. That road should be an alternative road with national highway space. We're concerned. That's why we have come to see first. Thank you.
तो सीएम खान इतना आई ने बस्ती मन खान और कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स खान और नेशनल हाईवे मेंटेन करा मन खान लोटे मीटिंग करिने ओलाई जासे इतना तो तब रनिंग जो लैंडस्लाइड एरिया तो ताहन पार करने जासे तो रास्ता ला कंडीशन तो उन्होंने क्या दिखाया एक बार तो इतना करने तो अब नन इतना दिया दिखा निशना सीएम और तला स्कोर खान तो इधर ओलाई जैसे तो छोटा गाड़ी खान नहीं तो रास्ता तो हुआ निशना ही लाई ऐसे इधर तो साइड खान तो क्रेक तो दिखे से होली भी पानी ना गिरी से बोले तो रास्ता भी हो जाओ निश्ना लगे सीएम ला एस्कॉर्ट खान और गवर्नमेंट ऑफिशियल्स खान तो आइने मीटिंग पूरा खान तो सब इतला रास्ता लोगिने आगे पने टुवर्ड्स QM साइड तो लाई जैसे तो काम खान तो और मनु खान तो आज आइने क्वान मीटिंग करिना थाकिया तो सब आज आस्ते आस्ते ओलाई जासे और काम करा मनु खान तो नीचे दे काम तो स्टॉप होना है हम तो काम तो करी আছে আজি তো আৰু মানুহে বেছি নিচিনা দেখি আছে এই কাম লাগ কৰি আলা জায়গা দিবি ওপৰতে বি আপোনান দেখি আছে লেবাৰ্স খান ওপৰতে উঠি কিনে আছে और माटी तो फ्रेश गिरी से ना तो दिखा नहीं on 22 of July Tuesday आजिकली पानी ना गिरे हुआ तो ये तो पानी भी पहला तो अलग लेतरा दिखी थी से भी इतना तो आज तो पानी भी साफा दिखी है तो रास्ता ला कंडीशन तो अब नहीं दिखाया से दिस इज टुवर्ड्स QM साइड पानी ना गिरली तो एकदम भाल निश्चय दिखे से इतना तो एंड दिस इज टुवर्ड्स पेसामा साइड तो आज ये फेसमा हाथू अवदान भी दिखी से मंगला चीफ मिनिस्टर भी आईने इतुला रास्ता कंडीशन तो किना से तभी कंसर्न हुआ बादो आईने साइने और डिपार्टमेंट कंसर्न डिपार्टमेंट नावली बस्ती मन खान ग्रीवेंसेस खान नावली भी ये रास्ता बना मनला कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स खान नदी भी ताई मीटिंग करिसे और तभी इतु साल तो फंड बिल नहागे दे तो रास्ता तो बाल हो जाओ लगे कोई ताई तखान इतु कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स खान और नेशनल हाईवे बना मन हंगी भी ताई इना कोई से तो इतु ऐसे आज फेसामला लैंडस्लाइड ला अपडेट तो so just in case if you are new to my channel please don't forget to subscribe so that you'll get the latest information and latest update about things happening in and around Kohima and I'll see you in the next update.